Your meta ads are doing their job. People click, but calendars stay empty. Revenue doesn't match. Today, I'll show you why that happens and give you the exact fixes you can read, deploy, and track this. Here is the short version. Remember, clicks measure curiosity. Clients measure certainty. Your ads speak to curiosity, so your funnel must speak to certainty. When those languages don't match, you buy attention and lose decisions. If you tried better creatives, bigger budgets, or more interest tags and still get no clients, it's not your hustle, it's message and mechanism mismatch. Let's align them. First, the big idea. Premium buyers, whether B2B or consumer, optimize for 4 things: time, assurance, access, and identity. Your ad earns the click with a promise. Your funnel must immediately translate that promise into those 4 codes. If it doesn't, they bounce, ghost, or window shop. Let's diagnose the 7 most common reasons your meta ads get clicks but not clients. And I will give you the exact line to fix each one of them. Reason 1, outcome is vague. Offer is fuzzy. Fix, say the transformation in 1 sentence they can repeat. Say this on your landing page above the fold. Keep your calendar with the deliver and your result with 1 point of contact, 1 clear scope, and 0 surprise invoices. Reason 2, wrong CTA for the stage. Fix, just replace it. Book a call with a low friction next step that still qualifies. Say this, request a 12-minute scoping call. If you are not a fit, we'll tell you. Or get the 3-step plan with dates penciled. No commitment. Reason 3, lead capture emails, not decisions. Fix, ask 2 prequel questions that make them commit mentally. Say this right under your CTA. Which best describes you? Pick one. I want outcome with minimal calendar disruption, or I want outcome at lowest possible price. Then, what's your timeline? This month, this quarter, just exploring. Reason 4, no mechanisms, only promise. Fix, show your operating system in 20 seconds. Say this under your hero section. Here's how we keep things from going sideways. Kickoff, then single point of contact, then milestones with approvals, then quality gate, and at the end, post-delivery steward. Reason 5, proof is misaligned. How can you fix that? Use peer proof they identify with and risk proof that reduce unknowns. Say this in a slim strip. Trusted by, let's say, doctors, fixed scoped agreement. If we can't staff it, we won't sell it. Reason 6, capacity looks unlimited, so quality looks uncertain. How to fix that? Show capacity proof. Let's say this. Capacity capped at 8 projects per quarter to protect attention and response times. Reason 7, post-purchase is invisible. How to fix that? Show continuity proof. Say this, a named steward owns outcomes after delivery. An annual tune-up is included. Let's rebuild your funnel using the 4 codes plus 5 proofs in under 2 minutes. Above the fold, your one-liner is their language. Keep your calendar with deliver and your result. Then 4 bullet points. 1 per code. Time, we work around your travel and peak weeks. When it comes to assurance, compliance and scope signed off before day 1. When it comes to access, direct line to senior operator, not a ticket queue. And finally, when it comes to identity, this solution looks built for your standards, not a catalog. Under that, the 5 proofs in 1 clean strip. Process, peer, risk, capacity, and continuity. Keep it to 1 line each like this, Kickoff, then POC, then milestones, then quality gate, and then steward. Used by and your peer group. Fixed scope, no surprise invoices, 8 builds per quarter, named steward, plus, annual checks. Now, let's rebuild your funnel using the 4 codes plus 5 proofs in under 2 minutes. So, above the fold, your one-liner is their language. Keep your calendar, we deliver, and your results. Then 4 bullets, 1 per code. Time, we work around your travel and peak weeks. When it comes to assurance, compliance, and scope signed off before day 1. When it comes to access, direct line to a senior operator, not a ticket queue. When it comes to identity, this solution looks built for your standards, not for your catalog. Your mid-scope page section answers 3 objections up front. Why are you more expensive? You can answer because we price the unknowns in now, not onto you later. How do I know you won't vanish? You can answer with we cap capacity, publish our process, and put a name, steward on your project. Can you integrate with my team? I mean, you can answer yes, one schedule, one standard, and one check across your vendors. Now, let's fix the add to page handshake so the click message matches the page mechanisms. Use one of these add intros and mirror it word to word in your hero line. So, the first example of add intro, time, sovereignty, angle. Keep your calendar, we handle the chaos. Hero line, you can use something like keep your calendar, we deliver and your results with one point of contact. The second example of add intro could be assurance angle, results without surprise invoices or endless rescheduling. In the hero section, let's say fixed scope, one installation window, compliance approved before day one. So for another example, you can go for an access angle. Talk to the senior who does the work, not a bot, For the hero line, direct line to a senior operator start to finish. For another example, you could go for identity angle. Quiet quality, you don't have to explain. For the hero line, go for craft that fits your standards, not a catalog. If you are running lead forms inside Meta, upgrade them from collect emails to pre-commit filters. Use these exact fields actually. Question 1. Which outcomes matter more? Minimal calendar disruption or lowest possible price? And route this to lowest price to a value bundle and route minimal disruption to your premium calendar friendly path. Question 2 is about the timeline. This quarter, this month, or just exploring. Send this month or this quarter ones to a page with 12-minute scoping call and send exploring to self-serve plan builder. On your booking page, say this at the top. Short call, zero pressure. If staying with your current setup is smarter, we'll tell you that. Now, your 3-step fix. Find, frame, proof. Apply it to Meta specifically. Step 1. Find the third layer buyer. Market, context, precise friction. Examples, luxury homeowners who travel often and need renovations without being on the site, or lead engineers who need zero downtime rollouts, no best effort SLAs, or studio owners who want compliant installation in one scheduled window. Step 2, frame with 4 codes in your first 120 words ad. Plus, hero line must match. Remember, time, we work around your calendar, not the other way around. Assurance, compliance signed off pre-built. When it comes to access, named senior, direct line. And when it comes to identity, quiet quality, no explanation needed. Step 3, layer the 5 proofs within 10 seconds of landing page. Process diagram, peer group queue, risk reversal, and what you refuse to do, capacity cap, and continuity owner. Let me give you 3 plug and play ad plus landing combos you can copy. Combo 1, services / home upgrades. When it comes to the ad, keep your calendar. We coordinate designs, permits, and installation in one window. Compliance approved before day 1. Capacity, 8 builds per quarter, request a 12-minute scoping call. When it comes to the landing page hero, keep your calendar, 1 point of contact, 0 surprise invoices, proof strip, kickoff, then POC, then milestones, then quality gate, then steward. Used by principals and family offices, fixed scope, 8 builds per quarter, and named steward plus, annual visit. Combo 2 could be for premium B2B tech. For the ad, you go for outrageous, don't care how premium your brand is, Named SRE, 4-step rollback, war room in 7 minutes, contracted response times, no best effort, book a readiness audit. When it comes to landing hero, named SRE once again, contracted response, rollback in 4 steps. When it comes to proof strip, you go for playbooks published, used by, let's say, your peer roles, let's say doctors. We won't say what we can staff. 6 platforms per quarter, quarterly disaster rehearsal. And you keep it to that. Combo 3 for, let's say, high ticket coaching and advisory. For the ad, no worksheets, a senior operator who speaks your calendar and outcomes, capped at, let's say, 12 seats per quarter, 12-minute fit call, you have to call to action them. And then when it comes to landing hero, a plan that respects your calendar. When it comes to proof strip, you go for weekly cadence used by, once again, we can say doctors, clear milestones, clear opt-outs, seats capped, named steward after the engagement. Now, the follow-up system, because, Meta can bring you hand raises who still need certainty. Email 1, send it instantly. When it comes to the subject, your 12-minute scope call. When it comes to the description, here's an exact what we'll cover and how long will it take, and basically what you will live with after this call. No pitch. If you are not a fit, we won't pitch you at all. When it comes to SMSs, if permitted, of course, because it depends on type of country that you are in. Just confirming your 12-minute call. We'll ask 5 questions, give you yes or no answers basically, and a plan. Reply 1 could be confirm on, or reply 2 could be to reschedule. When it comes to email 2, 24 hours later after the first one. When it comes to the subject, you could go for our process in 60 seconds or 30, let's say, and then you go for description. So you basically talking about kickoff, then POC, then milestones, and then quality gate, and then about your steward that you will be connecting to this client. And then you will talk about that we cap capacity at, let's say, once per quarter to protect attention and response times. For exploring leads, send a self-serve plan and invite them to pencil a date. You can say something like, choose your target window, we'll hold a provisional slot for 7